Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Hope you are well. Today, I like to make you familiar with single seat and twin seat J-20 steel fighter jet of China. The Chengdu J-20, also known as Mighty Dragon, is a single seat or double seat fifth generation fighter aircraft developed by China's Chengdu Aerospace Corporation for the People's Liberation Army Air Force PLAAF. The J-20 is designed as an air superiority fighter with precision strike capability. It descends from the JXX program of the 1990s. The J-20 made its maiden flight on January 11, 2011 and was officially revealed at the 2016 China International Aviation and Aerospace Exhibition. The aircraft entered service in March 2017 and began its combat training phase in September 2017. The first J-20 combat unit was formed in February 2018. The J-20 is the world's third operational fifth generation steel fighter aircraft after the F-22 and F-35 of US. Chinese state media reported in October 2017 that the designs of J-20 had been finalized and is ready for mass production as well as being combat ready. In January 2019, Chinese media reported that a twin-seat variant of the J-20 is rumored to be in development for use in tactical bombing, electronic warfare, and carrier strike roles. In November 2019, a J-20 painted in yellow premier coating was spotted during its flight testing by defense observers at the Chengdu Aerospace Corporation manufacturing factory. The J-20 has a long and blended fuselage with a chiseled nose section and a frameless canopy. Immediately behind the cockpit are low observable intakes. All moving canard surfaces with pronounced dihedral are placed behind the intakes, followed by leading edge extensions merged into the delta wing forward swept trailing edges. Analysts noted that the J-20's airframe employs a holistic approach to reduce its radar cross-section. The chimped forebody, modified radar random, and electroconductive canopy use a steel shaping, yielding signature performance in a mature design similar to F-22, which is enough for a steel fighter jet. Dear viewers, now I want to make you familiar with the twin seat variant of China's J-20 steel fighter jet. The long rumored twin seat variant of China's J-20 steel fighter jet circulated on social media last week, leading foreign media outlets to say that the aircraft is the world's first steel fighter jet with two seats. An extra seat could allow the second pilot to deal with complex tasks that cannot be done by one person alone, like electronic warfare and the control of accompanying drones, and this will give China an advantage in the air, analysts said. It seems that the aircraft has yet to make its maiden flight US media outlet the Military Was magazine said on Tuesday. Both reports pointed out that the twin-seat variant of the J-20, the designation of which has not yet been confirmed, will be the first twin-seat stealth fighter jet in the world, and not even the US has an equivalent. A second pilot could make more use of vast amounts of data than only one pilot and make the twin-seat J-20 an aerial command center and control a swarm of loyal wingman style drones, analysts said. Another possibility is that the second pilot could run electronic warfare or tactical bombing tasks, which could also be overwhelming for just one pilot. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.